Looks like Anne-Marie's done all that for me. Isn't that lovely? Anne-Marie's done all of this for me. So, Stella, your chances stage is your second pregnancy. Third pregnancy. I should find out what's causing it to have to stop touching. And is everything all fine with this pregnancy? Any complications? No diabetes, no high blood pressure? Diabetes, okay then. Okay, is diabetes just through the pregnancy or is it diabetes anyway? Just in the pregnancy. And any medication for diabetes? So just diet.
This is what happens when men just want to follow your husband everywhere and you love to travel.